Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the compressor and paint so you can spray with control. Attach regulator and moisture trap. Set pressure to the gun's recommended 90-120 psi because consistent pressure equals even atomization. Once done, mount the correct nozzle size, 0, 5:1, 4 mm, and strain paint through a 100 micro-m filter to avoid clogs. Make sure to wear a respirator and goggles and position drop cloths. Good ventilation prevents overspray buildup and keeps you. Now set the spray gun and confirm behavior before painting the part. Attach hose tightly, open the tank valve, and purge the line for 3 to 5 seconds to clear moisture and debris. Then, adjust the fluid, fan, and air knobs until a 1/2 overlap test pattern appears on a panel at 6 to 8 inches. This ensures even coverage. Once you see the right feed rate and spray width, make incremental tweaks so the paint lays down smoothly without runs or dry edges. You complete the job by applying steady, overlapping passes and then cleaning the system. Maintain 6 to 8 inches distance and 50% overlap. This produces uniform layers and avoids lap lines. After the final pass, relieve tank pressure, siphon or pour out leftover paint, and flush the gun and hose with the appropriate solvent so parts don't clog. If you see orange peel, reduce pressure or slow the feed. If runs appear, increase speed or back off distance. Those adjustments correct common finish issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.